Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to get to the template section for your Excel software. There are many templates that you can choose from, and templates are just pre built formatting and formulas for Excel. That you can basically utilize. And so on the Mac, all you're going to want to do is go up to the left hand corner where it says File, click on File, and then press New from Template. We click on that, and it brings us to the Microsoft Excel template options. But these are not all the options that you actually have. If you actually want to specifically find a formula of a template, you can actually just type it into the search bar. And let's say I want to type in or find a budget template. Look how many different budget templates there are. So if you guys need a template, Excel has all of them for free. All you guys have to do is search it up and you will have it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.